Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fiora Nabila C. Sawijaya. My last digit student number is 16. I would like to talk about the positive effects of virtual communication. But first, what communication is? Communication is a process. Communication is unity. Communication is a container for people to connect and have their purposes that they want to talk about or say it. So, communication is an interaction between two people or more. There are two forms of communication. There are indirect communication and direct communication. Direct communication is different among indirect because in direct communication we can reach them and touch them directly, but in indirect communication we can call virtual communication, we can reach but we cannot touch them directly. So virtual communication, it is just like the direct communication, but in this an interaction between others is using media for their supporting tools. So this form of communication is not a new thing in this era, right? Because it already here with us for a long time ago, and all of the activity now is using digital media. In digital media and in virtual, we should know that the cooperation between communicant and communicator is in tune, so that the misunderstood handled. So there are positive effects in virtual communication. There are no limit in a time. There are no limit in a place or in a long distances place, and it is a positive way during this pandemic. First, you can reach what you want to reach in every country, in every part of the world, and other people. You can use the virtual way. And second is when you want to connect with everyone, with everybody, there is no limit time for direct communication. So the virtual way is a good way to do the communication, because the communication in virtual, you can have more time to do that, and there's no limit. So, and the third is virtual communication is an effective way during this pandemic, because in this pandemic, this COVID-19 makes people stay away. We know that, stay away from each other. So they wanted to stay connect, using the virtual communication. Virtual communication, it's a old name, but it became massive during this pandemic, and it plays a really big role. And to communicate, we should have a tool, right? Such as handphone, laptop, and right now you see me on your screen, right? And or any kind of electronic tools to having a virtual communication. If you want to call someone, just find their phone number and call it, or you can video call. I had already asked several people around me about the benefits of virtual communication, and every people answered it with positive statement. Is already know that virtual world is a thing which cannot be separated from our life. Just like, the digital media, the supporting tools cannot be separated from our life now. So there are the two things to be considered: the signal and internet. Because of what? The signal and the internet are related. It connects. But because if you have a bad signal when you having a virtual meeting and your signal is bad, it clearly makes difficult for you and for us to reach each other, right? Because the signal is main component in this virtual communication, and also the internet is the connector to having a communication between us. So I conclude that the virtual communication is really, really needed for us to use it, because there is no limit of the distance of the long distances and time to reach each other. And this is an effective way during this pandemic, right? There must be a difficulty in virtual, but as long as you can need it, you can make it, you can use it, it will go well. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.